So here's the story of how I restored this burnt iconic nightstand without painting it. Yep, that's right. This is me fixing these huge burn marks using Blendo sticks. So let me show you how it went. This is a Maya nightstand, a collection from Bassett Furniture. I will let you Google the price. It's a valuable item, but came to me like this. First, I got mad at my husband for even considering that I could fix it and bring it home. And then after Googling it, I decided to take on the challenge. If you look at my previous video on the channel, you're gonna see that I also fixed the long dresser from the same collection that was also very destroyed, and there is a tall dresser as well, but the video is still waiting to be edited. The nightstand though was the first one from the three that I fixed. I have already posted the short version of this video, and you guys keep asking me about the long video, and I never had time to edit. But since today, October 22nd, is my birthday, I decided to give this gift to you. And to myself, since I don't have to worry anymore about finishing this. And I can share with everybody this wonderful transformation that I didn't even think was possible. And judged by your reaction on the other video, you guys agree with me. Also, I cleaned the whole nightstand while I was using this time to think how I would fix these burn marks. So the first solution I came up with was the basic, lots of sanding. No, I have nothing against painting furniture. In fact, I painted many of them. But when you get a vintage furniture iconic like this, you don't dare to paint it. One, you're cutting short your profit. You painting something like this, you immediately cut in half your profit. And I work on this not just because it's fun and I love, but because, like everyone else, I need to pay bills. Sometimes doing less steps will be worth for the amount of money you're gonna get. But sometimes, even with the extra work, you're still gonna get paid more than you would if you have cut corners. And two, it's kind of disrespectful. You got a lot of nerve if you come across a piece like this and you paint it. I got a lot of comments on the other videos saying that many people would have just paint over it, and I really believe it. They would. If I haven't fixed it, I would too. I'm not gonna throw in a landfill. It's in great condition and the paint can make it better looking than the burn marks. Fine. But I decided to try. This was worth trying. It was also challenging for me. I was unlocking new skills, things that I didn't even know that I knew. So I would recommend, do the easy ones. Things that you know will be a quick flip, even though I don't believe there's such a thing like quick flip. But things that you already know what to do just looking at it. And once in a while, you grab something that you have no idea from where to start and work on this. You'll be surprised with the amount of things you can learn. Well, since the sanding did not work, let's try something more aggressive. Toxic chemicals. I'm using some chlorine to see. I don't know, looking back now, I think that was a very dumb idea. I don't think there's a universe where this would have worked, but I tried. So I decided to use the chlorine to see if it would maybe help me light up the marks a little bit. And then I went back to finishing the sanding because, oh boy, that was a lot of sanding. So after everything is sanded and fixed, it's time to stain the nightstand. I start from the legs and from the front part because they are made of different wood and the color doesn't match with the walnut veneer. It's not supposed to match perfectly. Two tones of wood are pretty normal for this kind of furniture, but the colors need to be close at least. So I chose this stain and I did like 2 coats. Then came my third try to get rid of the burn marks, the gel stain. The gel stain sits on top of the furniture as opposed to the penetrating stain, so it got my hopes up a little bit, but the reality came soon enough. Well, not much else to try now. I was contemplating applying a new veneer on it, but veneers are expensive and I have never done before, so I finished applying this stain on the rest of the nightstand and decided to try something else first. I don't know what came to my head, but I decided to put my recent purchase to use, the Blendo sticks. I wasn't really believing at first, but I had to try it. I don't know explain to you how exactly I did it, which color I used, or this type of question. This is something that you need to try. You add the lightest color present on your veneer in a thin layer, then you add the dark colors that you see that match your project. I added a sealer in between couple layers to protect what I had done, and then add more of what I think it's needed. You will know what color you need once you start coloring. If you're afraid to do it, if you think you're gonna ruin your project, just pick a piece that you're not afraid to mess up. And remember, you always can remove everything and start over. I have seen people using toner in between layers, and I get this question a lot. I don't really recommend you doing this because you can end up with darker spots from the toner, depending on the amount of layers you add. Also, the toner is way more sensitive and takes longer to dry, so once you apply it, you need to wait 30 minutes to 1 hour so you are able to apply another layer of the Blendo sticks without messing up everything. With this sealer, you wait a maximum 5 minutes to dry and you can already add another layer. So I would suggest you to use this and add the toner on your last layer if you need it. The toner blends in everything, but it's not always needed. You look at your project and you see if you need it or not. I did use toner at the end of this project, but there are many times that just clear coat will do fine. Well, that's all the knowledge I am able to share with you today. I hope it does help you in some way. Just think that if I was able to do this and I have never done it before, you totally can pull this out too. And I wish you good luck and I wish you determination because that's what I had. I was determined to do it and look at this. It's totally magic. I was totally able to do it. I was so excited when I saw the marks disappearing. You have no idea. Layer by layer, I was bringing this nightstand back to life and I was beyond excited. This video is obviously fast forward. It's like 5 minutes of me fixing this, but was actually like an hour, and I think it was a pretty good time considering what I was doing, considering the size of the damage. And if you guys want, I can post the slow video so you can maybe see with more details what I was doing, the colors I was using and everything. So if it's something that would be interesting to watch, just let me know on the comments below and I'll hook you up. However, I do have another video here on the channel with me color matching another furniture, and it's the same process obviously, but I mean it's not this huge black mark, so you might be more interested on this video here, but it really gives a close-up from how the process goes, so I would go watch this if I were you. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm talking too much on this video. I normally don't talk that much, but I don't know, I think I'm just excited to finally post this video. And this is a video that I got a lot of questions. You guys are impressed by this whole color matching thing. So I kind of want to help you all the way I can, even though I can't do much besides showing you how I'm doing. But I don't know, maybe I'm talking a lot because I'm very excited for this video. It finally came, the long version. But I want to thank you so much for watching it, and thank you so much for commenting too. All your comments encourage me so much to post more and share what I'm doing. I just love hearing from you guys, so thank you so much. And now I'm gonna zip a little bit and let you guys watch the end of this. And I think you're ready to remember how was the before, and I show you the after. Wow, look at this. Guys, seriously, you can't tell me that this was burned. No, you cannot. Look at this perfection. She's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I am so proud of it. I think it is the project I'm the most proud of, I think. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a like on this video and share with a friend that you think you would love to watch this transformation. I hope you guys had fun with this video, and I hope to see you very soon on this channel. Ciao!